So guys, I find out that a lot of people find it very difficult to solve this exponential equation. And why? I guess because of the big numbers 2026 and also the structure of this equation. But at the end of this video, you discover that this equation is actually very easy to solve with the right approach. Now, what's the right approach to solve this equation? What we should do is that we should try and separate the numbers and the letter. That is 2026 on one side and x to the other side. So before we do that, let's try to multiply the two powers of x that is in bracket. So when we multiply x times x, we're going to be having 2026 roots of 2026 to the power of x squared will be equals to x to the power of 2026. Yes, after multiplying the two powers of x. Then what we're going to do now is that we're going to convert that 2026 root to a fraction according to the law of indices, right? So after that, we're going to have 2026 to the power of x squared all over 2026, right, equals to x to the power of 2026. Yes, that's following the law of indices. Now we're getting closer. So what are we going to do here now? So what we are going to do here now is that we are going to be trying to separate the powers, right? 2026 to the left and x to the right, as we have discussed earlier. So now to do that, we have to multiply. Let's do it one by one. Let's eliminate 2026 first. So to do that, we have to multiply the power of both sides by 1 over 2026, right? So we're going to have 2026 x squared over 2026, then times 1 over 2026. That will be equals to x to the power of 2026 times 1 over 2026. Yes. Then after that, you can say 2026 cancels 2026, right? And also at the left hand side, you can multiply 2026 by 2026. So we have 2026 x squared over 2026 squared. After multiplying them, then equals to x to the power of 1, right? So now we are done with separating the numbers. Now we are left with the variable x. So what are we going to do also? We are going to multiply the power of both sides by 1 over x squared. So we have 2026 x squared over 2026 times 1 over x squared equals to x to the power of 1 over x squared. Yes, that's nice. Now we can say x squared cancels x squared. Then finally we'll be left with 2026 to the power of 1 over 2026 squared equals x to the power of 1 over x squared. Now finally we can see that the two sides of the equation look exactly the same. So by direct comparison, we're going to find out that 2026 must be equal to x. So therefore our final answer will be x equals 2026. Very simple. Now please, if you have learned something, don't forget to subscribe and follow for more tutorial videos like this. Have a good day.